Hello and welcome to another update video about SUI. So the SUI chart has reacted a few days ago to this support area here. I mean, there was no area really there, but the price pulled back in three waves after a potential impulsive move up, and I've defined that as a key level a few days ago after the price showed some upside momentum from this level. And why is this level so important? It's located at around $3.92. Well, because this could mark the low of a wave 2. We already talked about this as a potential 1-2 setup when the price was down here and was just sort of chopping around a bit. But then a few days ago, we've actually seen quite a rapid increase from there. I mean, it doesn't look like much, but you know, from this swing low here on the 30th of December, the price again moved up like 35%, right? So it's quite a bit. And the price is currently on its way to the next upside Fibonacci levels. And we talked in the last video about this support region, which is, to be honest, unchanged. So price hasn't really moved much over the weekend. Support is, and that's really just nano support, like micro support. It's located between $4.57 and $4.96. And as long as this area is holding, you know, we can focus on overall higher prices. Someone asked me, is it a good time to enter now? I mean, you know, from an Elliott wave point of view, I mean, you can enter at any time, right? You just need to do the trader math. I mean, when do you want to stop out? And below 457, it would at least be a first indication this rally is failing, right? Best would have been to buy this wave too. You know, 1-2 setups are typically the best setups from an Elliott wave point of view, because you had an invalidation point down here at 350, below which you could have set an invalidation point, a stop loss. But now we are far away from that level. Now, to set a stop below invalidation, you would need to set the stop below like 390. I mean, the price is 520 now. At least from an Elliott wave point of view. I mean, you can use this here for confluence, but then have your own indicators and whatnot. But for now, the idea would be we are sort of in the mid stages of a third wave, and that means we're sort of in the middle now of the rally. We're getting to the late stages of the late stages of this. I mean, we're in the mid stages of a third wave, but possibly already getting close to the completion, because 621 is the first ideal target for this third wave, and then the fourth wave should start, which might take us close to where we are now anyway. So yeah, please bear that in mind. But I'd like to see the price form a 5-wave move up from here, so there might be a little bit more upside overall in this fifth wave of circle wave 3, right? Important is below 457, I would start to reconsider this wave count. But only on the micro level. I mean, this is just the micro count. Please be aware that there is another larger degree Fibonacci level just above us, and that's at 557. It's a larger degree Fibonacci resistance, or target you could say, but the microstructure suggests a few more upside squiggles, possibly to 690, which is the next upside Fib level, larger degree. These small ones here, they are just smaller degree. They are for this internal third. And the first ideal target is 621. But the larger degree points to 690. So there is some confluence there, you know, within the, or let's say between the smaller degree target area and the larger degree target area. But ultimately, what we are watching for is a 5-wave move up here that could form. And the immediate upside pressure is alive as long as above 457. Below that, first signal that something is failing, but it would require a break below these red lines to confirm that further. And ultimately, the main support at the moment for the bullish scenario is located at $2. That's larger degree Fibonacci support. Again, it's far away from where we are now. Are you comfortable with the risk from a macro point of view? Well, if not, then you might need to size down a bit. But when you're trading the micro, then 457 is the first key support. Now again, all these Fibonacci levels could provide some support, but really if it's a third wave internally that's now unfolding, then the price should hold above that level, 457, yeah? And we should move higher over the coming sessions into this micro target area above, yeah? So I think what would be ideal is maybe to stretch a little higher here. There might be a little bit of resistance around 557, then complete this internal third wave, then we will adjust support for this fourth wave, and then there might be a final move up in wave 5. That's what we're going to watch for next week. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, Make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.